Are you looking forward to purchase or buy Detroit Tigers tickets? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily buy one. First thing first, move into any of the web browser and search for Ticketmaster.com. It will land you on this official page. Once you're in this official page, scroll down and different types of shows and tickets will be available to you. Also, make sure you are logged in into your specific account. Once logged in the search bar, search for Detroit Tigers. Select the specific show that you want to watch. Let me click on the first one. It will land on this page. If you scroll down, different dates, location, and the shows will be available to you. Select the specific date and tap on Find Tickets. Now in this page, select the number of ticket that you want to purchase, and after that, choose a specific seat. Once found, click on it and tap More Reserve Tickets. Follow the on-screen process and pay the amount. Once paid, your tickets will be reserved and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.